This video tutorial I will explain parallel prefix method of arrays class which accept int array, from index, to index and in binary operator. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the int array. Then I have defined in binary operator object. Then I am calling parallel prefix method of arrays class and passing int array, from indexes 0 which is this position, to indexes 3 which is this position, from index is inclusive and to index is exclusive, and also I am passing in binary operator object. What this method will do is it will update these values in the int array based on in binary operator associative function. Here you can see the modified int array content. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.